We don't have the answers of some questions like, when and how did first human appear? What is it that makes us different from the rest of the animals? And, in what way did language develop? Although it is assumed today that all life forms are connected due to the presence of water and oxygen, life began on Earth more than 3 billion years ago in the form of microorganism. Science seeks to explain the origin of life as a series of chemical reaction that occurred due to suitable habitat over a million years ago, when Earth's surface cooled and accumulates liquid water which give rise to the various organisms today. Another possibility is that life on Earth originated in the form of microbes that reached the Earth from space, within a meteorite that fell to the Earth's surface. Some 4 billion years ago, the atmosphere contained very little free oxygen and carbon dioxide. However, it was rich in simple chemical substances like water, hydrogen, ammonia and methane. Ultraviolet radiation and discharge of lightning could have unleashed chemical reaction that form complex organic compounds, creating the building block of life. The origin of life on Earth can be inferred from molecular evolution. The first living single-celled organisms known as prokaryotes, which has no nucleus or enveloping membrane, began to develop in groups, giving rise to the process of cooperation called symbiosis. In this way, a multicellular and more complex life form called eukaryotes emerged. This multicellular organism have a nucleus that contained genetic information. While we don't know exactly how life began, and where from all this living creature on Earth emerged, however, all life on Earth is said to evolve from a single-celled organism. We know that all of the living things that we see around us is made up of more than one cells, and they are called multicellular organism. The plant, the animals and we human ourselves, are multicellular organism. Whereas the single-celled organism are those organism which is made up of only one cell, and in single-celled organism, the cell itself is the living organism. This single-cell organism can also do things similar like multicellular organism. They can move, reproduce, eat and grow. It is likely that eukaryotic cells, of which humans are made, evolved from this single-cell organism about 2 billion years ago. But there is wider range of evolution gap between the human and microorganism. And it seems that there is a missing link and lack of evidence on how human evolved so distinctly.